for me, I did Bella for me, I did that. Then a bottle for me. This one know the place. This also and here this one.
Like get away from me. Because if it falls, I don't need to fall in a few.
I want to fall.
Yeah.
See?
So
Nah.
I'm moving.
These are clean, so I'm not use box. Yeah, I'm already doing it.
Darcy, are you still doing my nails? I put the new one down. Hey, yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, yeah, yeah. Hey, yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Filters of Brita or other ones. There's no other filter like this. That's.
Oh, stir it up, baby. So I just woke up. It's around like 7 a.m. right now, and just couldn't get really good sleep at all. Like my body is just feeling so bad. Like I'm tired. My body is aching. I'm in need of some movement. The best movement that I can think of that I need to be doing right now, that I am just kind of like embarrassed, upset with myself that I haven't been doing since having my baby, that I should be doing, is yoga. So this morning I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to do some yoga because my back is killing me, but not in the way that it used to, but it's still, it's feeling very, very achy because of all the work that I do in this house. So I just had to take care of myself, and this is my first steps to being able to do that, which is just starting with my breath and doing something simple like beginner's yoga. I have to do something for me. So that's what I'm about to do, and I encourage every other mom, no matter how old you are, to do something for yourself when you get up in the morning. You definitely have to do something for yourself, and the best thing to do for yourself is to work on your body. So that's what I'm about to do. Today is going to be a really, really busy day. So I got done doing my yoga. I feel so much better. Like that semantic yoga routine is going to have to be every single day of my life that I get up and I do that. Unless something's happening that I can't, but that has to happen. I feel so much better. But today I have to prep a lot of pizza dough. Okay? That's what I'm gonna do today. I got my apron right here. So, in the next like 2 weeks, I'm gonna be starting back college. Obviously, it's gonna be really hard doing college and being a stay-at-home mom. Okay, it's just a lot. I don't know how I got myself in this predicament, but I did. So, I'm talking about college. Basically, honestly, the way I feel right now is if I could go back, I probably wouldn't choose to go to college right now. You know, I just feel like getting it out the way now will help me later in the future if I ever want to use it, maybe. So, today though, we're going to be prepping a bunch of pizza dough, okay? And my family loves pizza. But what I don't love is how spur of how spur of the moment having pizza is for us, and then it's expensive. You're trying to get takeout, or even if you're trying to buy frozen pizza from Sprouts or Whole Foods, it's pretty expensive. Like the only place that I've seen pizza not be expensive that's frozen is like Costco or Trader Joe's, and we do not live near a Costco or a Trader Joe's, okay? So I want to prep some dough and keep it in the fridge, and whenever I want it, I'll just take it out and defrost it and make a pizza for my family. I bought a pizza stone, so this is the next step that I need to do. Yeah, this is the next step. Okay, so that's what I'm going to be doing. Today I gotta go filter a bunch of water for that task. So I pretty much left y'all hanging earlier. I ended up making I think 15 pizza crusts. It was a laborsome task, but I managed to get it done. I would say it's laborsome because I have 4 kids running around that I'm trying to manage and cleaning up the house, and just I have all these other moving parts going on in my home. But if it was just me making pizza crust and doing nothing else, it wouldn't be that difficult. It's really easy to make. But I am going to be putting out a video showing all the foods that I'm prepping and putting away in my freezer and in my pantry for the upcoming school season, because I'm going back to school. So I have to really make sure that I don't have to keep getting up to make dinner every single day, because that is very, very difficult. So I'm going to be making a video so you guys can watch it and get some ideas for different foods that you may want to prep for your family or even just for yourself, so that you can get your time back. So what I'm about to do right now is work on my blog for maybe 30 minutes. I have a blog post to post, which is a pumpkin cut out sugar cookie recipe. It's really, really delicious. Like, it's a recipe that I created, and I had it featured in my last video, but it's basically just a fall sugar cookie recipe. So good. The sprinkles were made with these natural sprinkles from Nature Tree. They're made from natural vegetables like carrots and green spirulina and what is it? I think it's blue spirulina too. So it tastes really, really good, and I don't have to worry about any dyes. So later on today, we're going to take the kids to the park. But right now, I'm just going to work on my blog for a minute. So my oldest son is outside practicing his soccer drills, and my two younger kids, we were watching Happy Caravan together, but I thought, what a better time to go ahead and start prepping dinner than right now at 4 o'clock. And my youngest son is taking a nap while my two middleest children are watching Happy Caravan. So I'm going to go ahead and make some roasted chickpeas and some quinoa or rice. And we're just pretty much having a bowl of goodies tonight. Okay. It's a meatless dinner tonight. And like I told you guys, I got to go shopping. My pantry is low. So this is another fun low pantry meal. It's kind of gusto bowl inspired type of energy. Like, do you guys have gusto where y'all live at? We have gusto over here, and it's basically what some people are coining slop bowl. Okay, but it's not gonna look like slop. It's basically like a kava kava style bowl with roasted chickpeas, some cucumber, some vegetables, and a grain on the bottom. So here are my chickpeas that I have been soaking since last night in some filtered water. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the pressure cooker on 25 minutes. So I'm about to just burn some curry and garam masala to make a quick little curry sauce to put over the roasted chickpeas. I'm using a little bit more oil than I normally would use, but I have a lot more chickpeas than normal, so I'm really trying to just toast up quite a bit of this oil so I can put it over the curry chickpeas. Them to be crispy. Okay, it's already tossed it with my curry oil that I just made on the stove. I'm just gonna put some coconut aminos in here, just a little bit, and I'm gonna finish it off with some salt and pepper and just keep it really simple. These are some of the add-ons that I'm gonna put on top of the bowl. I got some of these Flavor Bomb cherry tomatoes, and these are really, really good. I normally do not eat cherry tomatoes whole in a salad, but I will eat these. I got some plantains here. They're really nice and ripe, just like how I like them. And then I have an avocado here that seems like, excuse my weird hand, I'm holding the baby. I got an avocado here that seems like it's taking forever to ripen, but it's finally ripe now. And then we got some olives that I opened up last night to make my husband's pizza. And that in that bag right there, I cannot reach it, is some cilantro I'm going to garnish the top of the bowls with. Okay, so this is for the baby. Me crying. Let's get it to him. Okay. Here you go, baby. Here you go. Okay, and this is my son's food. Food looking real good.